Good morning, children. In my previous video, I have explained Chapter 4 of English Grammar, Kinds of Sentences. Today, we shall discuss book exercise of this chapter. But first of all, we will read the chapter. So, open your book at page 12. Kinds of Sentences. Read this conversation. Teacher, did you read the book I gave you? Sam, I just finished reading it. Teacher, did you like it? Sam, yes, I loved it. Teacher, Kate, you must read this book too. Sam, please pass the book to her. There are 3 kinds of sentences in this conversation. इस कन्वर्सेशन में 3 kinds of sentences हैं. Interrogative sentences. Did you read the book I gave you? Did you like it? Children, I have already told you that interrogative sentences ask questions and always end with a question mark. Interrogative sentences में हमेशा कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है और इनके लास्ट में हमेशा क्वेश्चन मार्क लगता है. So, you can easily recognize interrogative sentences because interrogative sentences end with a question mark. लास्ट में इनके क्वेश्चन मार्क होता है. तो जब भी आप क्वेश्चन मार्क देखेंगे किसी सेंटेंस के लास्ट में, so you can recognize that it is an interrogative sentence. Assertive sentences. I just finished reading it. Yes, I loved it. Children, these 2 sentences are assertive sentences. We also call assertive sentences declarative sentences also. Assertive sentences state or tell us something. Assertive sentence वे sentences हैं जिसमें हमें simply कोई बात बताई जाती है. They always end with a full stop. और हमेशा ऐसे sentences के लास्ट में full stop लगाया जाता है. So these 2 sentences are telling something. So these are assertive sentences. Imperative sentences. Kate, you must read this book too. Sam, please pass the book to her. Imperative sentences give an order or make a request. Imperative sentences कौन से sentences हैं? वे sentences जिसमें कोई order या कोई request होती है, ऐसे sentences को imperative sentences कहा जाता है. Children, in my previous video I have already explained you that there are 4 kinds of sentences, but in your book only 3 kinds of sentences are explained. The 4th kind of sentences are exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences express strong feeling, excitement or strong emotions, and these sentences always end with a mark of exclamation. For example, how nice of you, how beautiful she is. So these sentences जिनमें कोई strong feeling, कोई भाव मन के जो अचानक हमारे मन में आते हैं, ऐसे feelings को express करते हैं, those are called exclamatory sentences. So children, now we shall start book exercise. Now we shall start exercise 1, page 13. Question 1. What kind of sentences are these? Tick the correct option. We learned about a new country in class today. In this sentence, it is simply saying something. So, it is an assertive sentence. There is no request or command here. So, it is assertive sentence. Share your toys with your brother. There is a command. An order is here. So, it is an imperative sentence. Put a tick mark in this. Penny. Penny can speak 4 languages. This sentence is telling something about Penny. So, it is assertive sentence. there is no request or no order, so it is assertive sentence. I have finished my homework. This sentence is saying something, so it is assertive sentence. Put a tick mark in this circle. He is the leader of the group. It is also an assertive sentence because it is simply telling us something. Get into the car right away. There is a command, an order is here, so this is an imperative sentence. Put a tick mark in front of imperative. Exercise 2. Complete these sentences. Place a full stop or a question mark at the end. One has been done for you. I like to read comic books. Full stop. Next, Katie loves going to the market. This is an assertive sentence, so at the end I have put a full stop. Where is your bag? Question mark, because it is an interrogative sentence. Please pass me the English book. It is an imperative sentence, so it ends with a full stop. Have you seen the Taj Mahal? It is an interrogative sentence, so I have put a question mark at the end. Don't be late for the school. Full stop. Next, dogs like to eat bones. Switch off the TV and go to sleep. Full stop. Children, you can complete these sentences as you wish, but don't forget to put a full stop if the sentence is assertive or imperative. But if the sentence is interrogative, you will have to put a question mark at the end. So, you do it in your books. Now write the correct sentence numbers in the table. One has been done for you. Assertive, it is written A here. See, in this exercise 2, A sentence A, I like to read comic books. This is an assertive sentence. So, it is written A in this column, assertive. Okay, like this, if the sentence is interrogative or imperative, you write their number. It means A, B, C, D. You have to write in the correct option, correct column you will write. Do it yourselves. Next is positive and negative sentences. Children, I have already told you sentences can be positive or negative. For example, positive sentence, our team played well yesterday. Negative, our team did not play well yesterday. Positive sentence, there were lots of cars on the road. Negative, there were no people on the road. So positive sentences are also called affirmative sentences. Children, positive sentences end with a full stop. Positive sentences do not have the words no or not in them. Positive sentences के अंदर ये no या not जैसे words नहीं होते और ये लास्ट में इनके full stop लगता है. Negative sentences have the words no or not in them. लेकिन नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस वे सेंटेंसेस हैं जिनके बीच में नो या नॉट जैसे वर्ड्स यूज किए जाते हैं. लुक एट द टेबल चिल्ड्रन, पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव. सी इन दिस टेबल you will see how the positive sentences become negative sentences. In positive sentence we use is, but in negative sentence we will use is not. It means isn't. Has will become hasn't, has not. Have not or haven't. Are not or aren't. In the same way, do it will become do not or don't. Can will become cannot or can't. Could, could not or couldn't. Exercise 3. Write P for positive and N for negative sentences. Pete wants to talk to Anne. This is positive sentence because no or not, these words are not used in this sentence, so it is positive sentence. I practice playing the violin every morning. Again, this is also a positive sentence, so we will write P. There are no jobs for you right now. See children, no is used here, so it is negative sentence. Write N in front of this sentence. Alice works for a car company. This sentence is also positive, so we will write P. Next, she does not like to sing for an audience. See, does not, it is used here, so it is negative sentence. My brother knows a few magic tricks. This is positive sentence, so we will write P. Now question 4. Pick up any storybook and find one example of each kind of sentences. Write them below. किसी भी story book से assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative and affirmative, these sentences you will have to write in this given space. Okay, so do it yourselves, children. I hope you must have learned the kinds of sentences very well.